just we'll see the simulation, the program which we write in the previous videos. If you want to see that video, the link is in the description. Please go through it. But if you want to watch these videos in Telugu language, there are other videos which I uploaded in the same playlist. Please go through it. And in this video here, as I said, just I uploaded the program which I write in the previous program. In that video I explained clearly what is each statement, how the tool travels. In this video just I will show the output of the program. Okay, let's see. Okay guys, that's it, the simulation, and I hope you understand it and like it. If you want an explanation of this program, please go through the link in the below description. See you, bye, see you with the new videos. Bye bye.